New day, new coin. What's up guys, it's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we jump into TRIAS. Now, before we do get into the video, I want all of you to pause the video, go and destroy that like button. If you're not already, drop me a sub. I appreciate it more than all of you guys can imagine. Let's get into TRIAS. All right, guys, happy Thursday. Thursday it is. It is nearly the end of the week. It feels like all the days are just like rolling into one big day. I don't know about you guys, but there's a new coin in our portfolio. Well, not new for the members club because we've been tracking this for a while now, so our TRIAS bag is looking pretty tasty right now. But for all of you guys on the channel, I know I've been covering ICP, Jasmy, VRA for the longest of time. You're probably thinking, does this guy own any other coins? The answer is yes, and one of my biggest holdings, guys, is TRIAS. Now, before we get into all the trading view, all that sort of stuff as well, what are the origins of TRIAS, guys? Now, the name TRIAS originates from the project's vision to build a trustworthy, reliable, intelligent, and autonomous system, taking the first letter from each word to form TRIAS. Now, is it TRIAS? Is it TRIAS? I've seen some people name it differently. I call it TRIAS. You guys can let me know if I'm getting the pronunciation all messed up. Now, if we come down to the core team and consultants, guys, you've got a list of all of their core team and all of their partners. That guy kind of looks like me. A little bit. Maybe not. You've got a list for everything on here, guys, but a lot of you are thinking, right, what is it actually solving? Now, multi-technology integration. You've got a variety of things that TRIAS does cover. Number one, trusted computing, cloud computing, sandbox container technology, edge computing, decentralized storage, hypersharding, consensus algorithm, and blockchain. A lot of that to you guys is going to be a lot of waffle, but just know that it's actually providing a lot of computing power to a lot of up and coming projects, guys, and it's going to be one of the industry leaders in my humble opinion. Now, the reason why I think a lot of developers are going to start to build on TRIAS, you've got a low barrier to entry, so you can develop dApps quickly without relearning a new framework using a development language you're already familiar with. That helps a lot of developers, trust me. Number two, convenience. You've got a rich SDK and API toolkit, again, which is going to help a lot of developers come into the space. And then number three, high yield. Development in mining rewarded with tokens based on the popularity of the app. So developers are going to be incentivized to make the coolest apps, basically, for everybody to come in and try out. Then you've got all the technical docs here, but I know for a lot of you guys, you don't need to read all that. Some will call us lucky for buying the 2023 generational lows. Did you guys? Because on the channel, we've been following all the lows. We got lows for pretty much everything. But the reality is that we've done countless hours of research and we know what we hold, guys, okay? And you can see here, massive projects like TRIAS, and some of these maybe in the private community. You guys can go check that out for yourself. But listen, I think they're going to perform very, very well, as do many people such as @ParabolicPump on Twitter. Now, while everybody's going mad with the meme coins, you're buying Whiff, you're buying Costco hot dog, Costco pizza, I genuinely can't believe that this is the stage of the market we're at. It makes me very scared, like very scared. Does FUD influence you? Always do your own research. Are you just gambling? Hence what I say about all of these meme coins. You need to buy the fear for these top projects, and TRIAS looks like it is gearing up to be a future blue chip. And you can see here that TRIAS actually partnered with Okta Innovations, and we Okta Innovations devote ourselves to solve information safety problems by trusted computing, blockchain, and artificial intelligence technologies. The sustained immune technology that we develop could improve the ability of a company's information system in response to intranet threats. So basically threats like within the company. Now, we'll get into our trading view at the end, and you can see the buy levels that I am actually accumulating at right now. But you can see here on the 1 week, we're testing the blue downtrend on a higher time frame. We're breaking out from the end of year 2023, and simultaneously on the BTC TRIAS pair as well. So you can see the USD pairing here, and we're currently sitting at around $10, guys. This guy's target is up into the thousands. Again, we may be getting out way before that. But then as you see on the TRIAS BTC pairing as well, we've broken down from this flag, but we are starting to get to this area at the upper level of the channel. If we can hold this breakout, this may be a go sign for TRIAS. And more people are going to start to catch on to it, guys. Now, remember that I said this. We were covering ICP for how long when nobody wanted to know, when it was like $3.5, $4.5. Now everybody's flooding in and ICP's at $18. Do you see the potential returns have diminished drastically for ICP? So where can we be catching up and getting new gains? I believe it's with TRIAS. And you can see here from Self-Made Mac, congratulations on those who caught the very bottom of that TRIAS correction, and that was a dip of around $9.25. Panic sellers are about to buy back in when they hear how quick we're about to recover. And I do believe that, guys. I'm not panic selling anything. I haven't panic sold a single thing. I will rather let my crypto go to zero at this stage of the market before we do panic sell. And before we do get into the trading view, just bear in mind that we're still waiting for new centralized exchanges, guys. You can't get TRIAS on everything right now. I believe it's like MEXC. I think you could get it on KuCoin before KuCoin had their KuCoin thing. Bitmart, all those sort of lower B to C tier exchanges. Once we do start to get these A tier exchanges, and you guys know which one I'm talking about, this could signal the next leg for TRIAS. Let's go check out the trading view. Now, before we do continue, guys, a very quick word from our sponsor, PIKA. Guys, I always get this wrong. Bang. You already know that I'm a big Pokemon fan, and PIKA coin has kindly sponsored today's video. Now, guys, first of all, you need to make sure you're all following the PIKA Twitter account at PIKA coin. And you can see here that they are updating you guys every single day. The PIKA hub is coming, and you guys can join the newsletter to know when PIKA coin staking will go live. You can check out the website and you can see that PIKA is currently available on BITGET, MEXC and UniSwap, and it is the fastest growing GameFi token in the industry. Go and check it out. Let's get back to the video. Alright, guys, so you're getting some free game for what I do normally save for the members club. Now you can see we're waiting on a recapture of $14.50. You got our entry 2 here at $11.17, and we've got a final entry here that we printed today right at the top band of this final entry, guys. Are we going to come back down and fill this fair value gap? Man, I hope so. I'm hoping so. But if we don't, it doesn't matter, because we've still got 2 great entries. So we've got a buy zone here between that sort of like $13 to $15. You've got a buy zone between $10 and $13, and then a final entry between $8.50 and around that $9.50 as well. And I also believe that we could be going up to at least a 3-figure TRIAS in the coming bull run, guys. And remember, alt season has barely got started. Now, guys, the all-time high, we're sitting at around $30, so that's still 300% from where we are now, meaning we still have a 300% run before price discovery, which is fantastic. Now, where am I going to start taking my initial investment out? I will take my initial investment out at $50, as I will have already made 500% from where we are now. And if you really want to know what some of my upper levels for TRIAS are going to be, my upper levels of take profit go between $500 and $750, guys. Yes, 50x to 75x from where we are now. Remember, TRIAS is still a low market cap, guys. It is still merely a $100 million market cap. So the time is now, guys. You need to be acting now. You need to go onto the TRIAS website, go and review their white paper, go and review their team, read through all of the important, interesting documents that they do have on their website, and get clued up about TRIAS, because today I'm loading up my bags. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think of TRIAS in the comments. If you're new and you got this far already, please drop me a sub. We're trying to get to 10k before May. Can we do it? I think so. Until next time, it's been real MEXC Money. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.